Charlie, Charlie, I'm taping you. Tell me what you're going to jump on.
A trampoline.
A what?
A trampoline.
Trampoline? Who gave you that trampoline?
Nana.
All right, why don't you get on? Jump! Wow! Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yay! Is that better than the couch? What do you say to Nana and Pop Pop?
Thank you.
Say, I love it.
I love it.
Say, trampoline.
Trampoline.
Say, thanks, Nana and Pop Pop.
Thank you, Nana, Papa.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.